I'm Toshna, and you can say I'm all bundled up again, but this time we're in like a middle of a snowstorm. It's so like snow is getting in my eye. It's so like snowy, and I want to call this a blizzard. I don't really think it's a blizzard, but I want to call this a blizzard because I like calling stuff what they're close to. So this snowstorm is actually kind of harsh as a blizzard, but not exactly. So first, what is a blizzard? A blizzard is a very big snowstorm with high wind speed and is so cold and visibility is low. So I'll talk about that later, but first, how does a blizzard form? A blizzard forms from hot and cold air meeting together like most storms, and then the cold air settles down and the hot air goes on top because hot air is lighter than cold air, and then when they go on each side, the clouds should rain, and when the rain comes down, it'll rain in the hot part, but then when it reaches the cold part, it'll freeze into snowflakes. So then, when it freezes, the snowflakes will go down. Another thing, so these are the three things that the blizzard should. So these are the three things blizzards should have, else they're not a blizzard. So first is wind speeds have to be 59 miles per hour or more, else it is not a blizzard. The second thing is visibility should be low. What visibility means is how long that you can, what's the distance between your eyes and the last thing you can see. So when it's sunny, you can see about 10 miles if there's no trees around. But during a blizzard, you can only see about 2 blocks ahead, or maybe even 0. If visibility is 0, it's called a whiteout. That means you can't see anything except the color white. And blizzards can sometimes cause power outages and electricity losses. The third thing the blizzard should be doing is that, remember I told you all about the wind speeds and stuff? I mean, not that. Actually, yeah, the wind speeds also should be high, tossing things around. But the third thing I just realized was actually that a blizzard has to be about 2 to 3 hours long. Blizzards are long. And our snowstorm here is 1 day long, or it started from like that noon or something. So that's definitely a lot. So that means this could be a blizzard. The only problem is there's nothing moving around, because all the objects I see right now are not moving around. I'm not counting cars, like anything else, like not that heavy objects, like the objects I can lift. They're not really moving around, so it's not really a blizzard, but I can call it a blizzard because it's, well, almost a blizzard. So that is a blizzard, and blizzards usually happen in cold places like Alaska in the US, and other cold places like in the top of Russia. So that is, well, a lot about blizzards, and I hope that's enough for today. Bye bye.